Tired of manually transferring your Wpforms entries to Mailerlite? Let's ditch the data entry nightmare and automate your lead generation in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you have both Wpforms and Mailerlite accounts set up and ready to go. Then, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Navigate to Plugins on the left-hand sidebar and click on Add New. This is where we'll install the necessary connector plugin. In the search bar, type Wpforms Mailerlite. Several plugins might appear, so look for the official Wpforms Mailerlite integration plugin. Once you find it, click Install Now and then activate the plugin. Activation is crucial to make the connection work. Now, go to your Wpforms dashboard and select the form you want to connect to Mailerlite. Open the form editor. Inside the form editor, look for the Marketing tab. Click on it, and you'll see the Mailerlite icon. Click on the Mailerlite icon. Here, you'll need to enter your Mailerlite API key. You can find this in your Mailerlite account settings. Then, select the Mailerlite subscriber group you want to add your form submissions to. Map your form fields to the corresponding Mailerlite fields. For example, match your email field in Wpforms to the email field in Mailerlite. Save your form, and that's it. Now, every time someone submits this form, their information will automatically be added to your chosen Mailerlite group, ready for your targeted email campaign. Seamless lead generation achieved.